Let's talk about the table. The table on the calculator is a very useful tool. You're probably more familiar with it as in an algebra class as an input-output table. For example, if you have y equals 2x plus 3, for example, and you say, hey, let's make an input-output table. I know, that flashing thing's giving me a seizure too. And then I could say, all right, well, when x is 1, y is 5, when I plug 1 in for x. And when x is 2, y is 7. And when x is 3, y is 9, etc. Okay, that's an input-output table. So the table on the calculator does the same thing, except it's interactive because it's on the calculator, and so you can move around going up the table and down and different things to get the information that you need. So that is what we are going to do. So let's say that this is our equation that we're interested in solving, okay? And instead of actually solving it, I'm going to give 4 possible answers. Now, the highest power of x is 2. The way I wrote it out, it didn't allow it to make it look like an actual exponent, but it's typically you can also use this upside down V kind of thing, this caret symbol, to mean exponent. So it's 2x squared plus 17x equals -21. And since the highest power of x is 2, there's 2 solutions to this thing. Well, I provided 4, so 2 of them have got to be wrong. So let's find out which ones. Now, one way to do this is with the table. We could go to the top left button, and we could plug in the left side of the equation, and then for y1, and then for the right side, we could plug in, for y2, we could plug in the right side of the equation. Okay. And now, again, since this is an equation, we want to know where the left side and the right side are equal. When do they match? When are they equal? Are they equal when x is 0? Maybe. How about when x is -1.5? Maybe. So let's go find out. One way to do that is to go to the table. So we could go second table, because table is in blue, so we hit the blue key first. But this isn't giving me everything I want, okay? And I mean, certainly none of these are solutions, because none of these x values make the left side of the equation where we put y1 and the right side of the equation where we put y2. None of these x values make them equal to each other. So none of these guys are solutions. So we've already verified 0 is not a solution. Okay. But I see how things are changing here. I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to find -1.5 or 4.5 on this list. So instead, I'm going to go like this: second window, because table set is right there. This is where you can go to get your table all set up before you actually use it. And right now it's set to auto, as in the table automatically populated itself. It just had all those numbers there that you saw a moment ago. But another alternative is to select ask, so that the table in effect is asking us for specific x values like these. So if I go second table, go back to there, now there's nothing there because it's waiting for me to type in these numbers. So I can say, hey, when x is 0, what's y? Hey, they don't match. Yeah, we knew that. So 0 is not a solution. Okay. How about -1.5? We got a match. All right, -1.5, it's a solution to the equation. Hallelujah. How about 4.5? Nope, not a solution. It does not make the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation equal each other. How about -7? Those match as well. Hot dog. And we know that there can't be more than 2 solutions. Okay. So that guy's out and that guy's out. So that's an answer and that's an answer. Those are the solutions to the equation. And there can't be more than 2, so that's all of them. Anyway, that is how this is done. Okay, a little bit about just how the table works. So again, second window, that's where you can go to set up your table. And second graph, that's where you can go to actually use the table. And while you're on second window, if you select auto on the table itself, you can go up and down and look around and move over and different things. So anyway, that's it. And I'll see you at the next video.